My name is Chris, and I've been an avid tech lover for as long as I can remember. From computers to smartphones, if it ran on electricity, it got my attention. I was always known as the computer guy growing up for my ability to troubleshoot things, aka unplugging them and plugging them back in. And this eventually pushed me to one of my favorite pastimes, which is repairing devices.
Ground strenuous, cash out continuous, mogul in the making, autonomous black businesses.
I started Gadget Repair Medic in September of this year, and my goal is to make it easier for consumers to get their devices repaired by bringing the repairs directly to the consumer. By centering my business around being mobile, I'm actually able to offer competitive prices that my competitors just can't keep up with. And I've also been able to drop down the average repair time. And we've received enormous support from the community, with over 380,000 accounts reached within the last month. And on top of that, we've also have more than 15,000 video views across all of our social media platforms. That's just in 1 month. And we won't stop there. We have some big goals for Gadget Repair Medic. And with the support of the community, we would like to make all of these goals a reality. Because without the community, we honestly would not be anything. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.